What's up, traders? Hope you're having a great weekend doing your research before the week ahead, looking for opportunities. One of the things that's come across my screen this weekend from both friends calling me as well as on my social media has been this potential for a silver short squeeze because last 2 weeks, the big meme has been short squeezes. Now everyone knows what short squeezes are. At least the public has become educated on the term. Now everybody's experts on it. And, ooh, let's get those hedge funds. Ooh, let's take their money. And so naturally, or rather naturally to me, and I'll explain why I think it's natural, is silver is the target of a short squeeze. And it's kind of funny to me because I've been doing this for many, many years and I read the news every day. And so I kind of have a little bit of experience, not in playing the short squeeze, but just I remember things. And here's what I challenge you to do in your own research as we look at this and see, well, is a short squeeze imminent in silver? Let's see. So if you go into Google right now and you type in silver short squeeze, you're going to get a lot of articles, people talking about how, you know, imminent this is. And one of the worst indicators, I think, in trading and investing is the phrase "people are saying." I actually hate that phrase, but I hear it so much. If you ever hear that, just go the other way. Just take the opposite side of the trade. But people are saying that there's going to be a short squeeze. And the thing about silver is the silver bugs are, to me, a little more insufferable than even the gold bugs because they have been sitting in their silver positions for a little bit over a decade. And every time they get a little bit of reprieve, they come back and they say, "Oh, look, we're right. Finally, we're right." Anyway, if you do this search, you're going to see a lot of things from the last 3 days. We don't want to know. We don't want to see that. We want history. So let's go to settings here and let's look at a custom range. Let's just look at maybe 1/1/2010. Let's go back a decade to 1/1/2019. Let's filter out the current noise. And what you're going to notice is that, 2010, 2012, 2013, 18, 15, there's a lot of talk about silver short squeezes about every 2 years or so. Wow, this seems to be a recurring meme. Back in 2010, here's an article where they were talking about silver having a lot of short exposure from different hedge funds. I think JP Morgan was short. 2013, they talked about a potential short squeeze again. Goldman Sachs was short that time. Uh, and this is 2015, another short squeeze looms. That brought up an ad. 2018, another, short squeeze is coming and having all these speculations and things like that. But let's take a look at this. We're on the weekly now in SLV. That's, of course, a derivative, the ETF that you can trade silver on. And let's look at the dates in particular. So 2010, there was that talk of the short squeeze. Well, that was definitely that precious metal bubble. The next one was, of course, what was it, 2012? Well, that didn't. Maybe they were able to catch a little bit there. But what about the 2013? Ooh, yeah, not so much of a short squeeze there. 2015, not so much. 2018, when it was going to squeeze. Ooh, well, the track record for people saying that there's going to be a short squeeze is about a 20% success rate. Not saying it can't happen within that 20%, but bear that in mind as you read all this and think that you're doing due diligence. Your due diligence should also be historical, not just people are saying. Have a good week.